Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, says preparations are in full swing across the capital ahead of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season starting tomorrow. The KSAMC held its annual hurricane preparedness meeting on Friday with key stakeholders. Representatives from the NWC, JPS, NSWMA, the Fire Brigade, and other agencies were present.
Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby says the capital is stepping up hurricane preparedness efforts as the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season gets underway. Drain cleaning, debris removal, and other flood mitigation works have been intensified across the municipality to reduce the risk of flooding and storm damage.
Last year, when Hurricane Melissa impacted sections of western Jamaica, we witnessed firsthand the devastating effect of flooding, damaged roads, displacement of families, interruptions to utilities, and the strain placed on emergency shelters and services. That experience reminds us that the preparedness cannot begin when a storm is approaching. Preparedness must be continuous, coordinated, and community-centered. It's for this reason that the work of the Parish Disaster Committee remains absolutely critical.
Emergency agencies are also strengthening response plans to safeguard lives, property, and critical infrastructure ahead of the hurricane season.
As we view our state of readiness, we must honestly assess the operational status of the shelters, the emergency communication system and early warning mechanism, drainage and flood mitigation activities, excavation plans, welfare and relief arrangement, the readiness of critical infrastructure and utilities, and the preparedness of vulnerable communities across Kingston St. Andrew.
Meanwhile, KSAMC Disaster Coordinator Terry Forrester has identified a shortage of shelter managers as a major challenge, with recruitment efforts now underway to help ensure emergency shelters are fully staffed if activated.
A lot of shelter managers have said that they either do not wish to serve or they have just given up answering calls, and as such we have to fill those vacant spots, and as such we will be having our shelter management training. We are looking at filling the gaps, so again, councillors, I'll ask you to assist me greatly in that regard, and we'll also see if we can ask the SDC to assist in any shortages that we may find.
Meanwhile, 4 shelters in the Kingston and St. Andrew area have not yet been inspected due to poor road conditions. The KSAMC says it is working closely with the Labour Ministry to secure a suitable vehicle to access the areas. The Atlantic hurricane season officially runs from June 1 to November 30. Anthony Atkinson, TVJ News.